And dismount on the crowd. You don't dismount on the crowd. Well, dito, fight. Tatakbo lang sila eh. So, tatakbo yan.
Para manulin na ako dito.
Pa-damage ka. Damage on the mark. Damage. Patay niya. Tapos namin, bagal ng mga damage natin. Catch them. Okay, come southwest, mount up, everyone, mount up. Everyone, mount up. Okay. Come southwest now, everyone, southwest, down the hill. Tara, bilis. Let them come, come to territory. If you see me, dismount on me. Put up, OC. Let's go. Come northeast, get ready. We're going to engage on northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Come back. Come back, guys, come back. Full defensive on the front. Come back, full defensive on the front. Full defensive, guys. Come back, guys. Hayaan nyo mamatay mga member na yun. Buklog yan. Come south, everyone, come south. Keep spamming silence on the ground. Be ready. Keep fighting them. Now look northeast. Walk me northeast now. Walk me. Keep snare charge. Get ready. We'll go to engage this one. Two. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. This one. On me. Delete. That's great. Delete. Oh my god. Come southwest. Full defensive. Southwest. Territory. Nice one. Keep fighting them. Come southwest lang. Southwest. Baba. Let them come. Paisa-isa lang. Okay, get ready. Oh, we're going to engage them. We're going to engage on the northeast now in 5. Nice one. Kill just. Come back. Come back. Do not overextend. Yes, get ready. We're going to engage northeast now. Come back. Balik. Okay, get ready. Heels up. Balik. Yes, balik. Heels up muna. Balik. Come to territory. Heels up. Get ready. We're going to engage the northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the northeast. Delete. Pakinggan nyo. Delete. Run over them, guys. Run over them. Delete na. Push. Then come back. Huwag kayo maglilit. Bobo nyo naglilit. Tanga. Heels up. Okay, get ready. We'll go to engage again. Come. Heels up. Get ready. We'll go to engage them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Delete. Nice one. Delete now. Run over them. Run. Push them. Heels up on the front. Push. Everyone. Push. Come northeast. Run over them. Get ready. We'll go to engage again. Guys, stop looting. Tanginin nyo. Come northeast now. On the road. Get ready. We'll go to engage them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Ito, dalawa. Sige. Run nyo. Patayin nyo lahat. Ito. Patayin nyo lahat. Huwag na kayo magpapare. Sige lang. Video na to. Patayin nyo. Patayin nyo. Run. Putang ina niyo. Stop looting. Naka-video kayo.
Ito
Putang
yung
ina nyo.
balista.
Naka-video kayo. Putang ina nyo. Stop
Guys, yung
looting kayo.
balista, mage.
Kikik ko kayo sa
Balista, may
guild.
balista.
Kikik ko kayo sa guild. Tang ina nyo. Ang dami yung looter. Pakita ko kayo. Sino kayo.
Wanted
Guys,
damage.
nasa south ako. Andito ako. Ito sa akin. Putang ina nyo, mag-mount up kayo. Bobobo nyo. Dito kayo. Andito na ako. Putang ina nyo. Mamamatay kami dito. Guys, mamamatay. Kambak muna casual. Yung mga member to, nandun sila naglulot. Putang ina nyo. Get ready, we go to engage again.
Gago nilot yung...
Mga member.
Wala kang tao dito, Mitch, ah.
Ano nyo?
Nilot nila yung napatay ko.
Come southeast. Sige lang. Southeast. Dismount kayo sa crown. Dismount kayo kagad sa crown.
Hindi ko
Sa crown
nilot
kayo
yun.
mag-dismount. Come south. We're going to engage in the south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Dito. Patay niyo to. Sige, patay niyo na. Do not kill. Patay niyo to. Run. Kill the healer. Patay healer nasa north. Kill the healer nasa north. Sige, manghabol pa kayo. Patay niyo.
Tangina, run
Sa
pala.
south.
Gago kayo. Bad na
Sige.
mga mukha niya.
Run niya. Ang gaganda ng clamp na napidyo niya.
Ang napatay ko, nilot nila. Ito. Si Gago, nakapasok.
Good job, everyone.
Nice donation.
This is what I'm talking to you guys.
Dito.
Huwag tayong masyadong greedy. Play nila yung play natin. I think,
Ito.
sige, catch kayo, do not care. Catch kayo, ito. Nasa east side. Papuntang north. Sige lang. Huli nyo.
Kasama yung boss
Sila,
mo. Yung boss kasama nila.
boss.
Dito.
Tangina, wipe out ng mga bobong po.
Ngayon nyo,
Mount up.
Good job, everyone. Good job. Catch nyo. Run. Ayan na, pupunta sa'yo.
Lalo.
Ay, gago. Nahuli.
Sana.
Ay, pinang ina.
Yung beses sila na club to, putang ina nila.
Ganda nung clamp dun. Putang.
Naka-regroup na sila dyan, ha? Careful kayo.
Saan sila nag-regroup?
Anim sila sa quicksand. Nakabang
Okay,
na sa
Everyone, tab
entrance.
ko, HQ na, on top,
HQ
tab
mo
HQ.
tayo, may profit na tayo sa gear nila.
Mga lot.
Ay, nako.
Okay, nagre-recruit sila. Nagre-recruit ulit. Tara. Kamas. Good job sa mga healers. Tara, HQ, come to hideout na. Deposit na yung mga gears. Lagay niyo sa split yun.
Daming looter kanina eh.
Nakasara kang daming looter na. Namamatay yung mga looter sa sa clamp na yan. Putang ina. Sabi ko, pag laban tayo eh. Oo, kitang-kita ngayon. May video dito.
Expect ko
Anak
naman
ko yan.
yun. Kaya naman.
Bibigyan ko kayo ng matinding pahinga yan. Putar kayo. May laban ba tayo? Nagulit kayo.
Outlaw pala ako.
Sabi sa'yo,